You're going to love the Watercolor Doodle Card Ideas for Father's Day. It's easy to doodle and then paint over it to make a great card for Dad, Mom, or any occasion. It's good to use watercolor paper and cut it to size to your envelope. You'll doodle with a permanent black marker. You can make letters or any design you want and then doodle on top of those designs and even fill in the background with doodles. We do a watercolor wash by putting clear water on your shapes and then filling them in with color by dropping that color into that wet water. I used bright colors on the front, warm colors, and cool colors in the back so those letters would pop. This watercolor doodle card idea for Father's Day is awesome. He's going to love it. Anyone would love a card like this. For more card and craft ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.